Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today's tomato profile is on a 2013 All America Selections winner, the Jasper tomato. It's a smaller type cherry. The plant itself is an indeterminate variety, which means it will continue to grow until disease comes and takes the plant or until the cold weather comes. It's going to get at least 6 foot tall. You can see how well it's growing. We'll get in there. I'll show you some of the growth of the tomatoes in a second. This plant will start to mature 60 days from transplant, and that's about right. That's when I put in my transplants, and you can see some of the tomatoes are ready to be picked. I will pick those, also show you a close-up of the mature fruit at the end of the video. It will mature and begin to produce fruit 90 days from putting it in as seed. It's resistant to early blight, late blight, fusarium wilt. I'm in Maryland Zone 7. If you have a good eye, you might notice a little bit of white powder on my leaves. That's because I spray my plants with a baking soda spray to stop early blight. It always comes to my area. So far, no signs on this plant at all. And it's just a really wonderful producer. Let me show you just the amount of fruit on there. The fruit gets to about 3/4 of an ounce. The skin is thin. The tomato itself is very sweet, rich, complex flavor. It doesn't crack like a lot of cherry tomatoes do. And you can just see all the tomatoes that are growing. And it's not quite 6 foot tall yet, so it's going to continue to grow. I've only done a little bit of pruning. I'm not taking anything out from the body of the plant. I slowly pruned up from the bottom to let air circulation go through. It's pretty much been left alone. It doesn't need a lot of fertilizer either. My plants get a regular regimen of organic fertilizers, granular, water-soluble, and worm castings. But during the trial, this plant was noted for not needing a lot in the way of feeding. But I just want to show you just all the tomatoes that are in there. I highly recommend this for a smaller cherry type in your garden. The 2013 All America Selections winner, Jasper, is going to bring hundreds of the smaller type cherry tomatoes to your table. This plant isn't even 5 feet yet. It's going to get well over 6 feet, and we're only at June 8th, and we're approaching over 100 tomatoes on there already. They mature 60 days from transplant, 90 days from seed. You're going to get 8 tomatoes per cluster, all shaped the same exact size, wonderful sweetness, great resistance to disease and cracking. All America Selections is a non-profit organization that holds seed trials every year. We don't sell seeds, we just look for the best new vegetables, fruits, edibles out there, and the best ones are deemed winners. So remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tomato profiles and other profiles on different AAS winners. Thanks for watching.